In this video, I'll show you how to make your Yoast SEO indicators turn green. By following these steps, you will optimize your content for better search engine performance, boost visibility, and attract more traffic to your site. The first and most important step is setting your focus key phrase. In the Yoast SEO panel, located below your post or page editor, enter a keyword or phrase that best represents your content. Think of what someone might type into a search engine to find your page. Choose something precise and relevant. For example, for a contact page, contact us works well, while for an article or review, best coffee shop in Manila or affordable web hosting could be effective. Next, strategically place your key phrase throughout your content. Include it in the SEO title, which appears in search results, the meta description, and the UL all slug. Make sure it also appears in the first paragraph and at least one H2 or H3 heading. Sprinkle it naturally through the body content without overstuffing, as too much can harm your rankings. Beyond key phrase placement, improving readability is crucial. Switch to the Readability tab in Yoast and address any flagged issues. Keep sentences concise, ideally under 20 words. Use short paragraphs, each covering one main idea, to maintain flow. Employ transition words like however, in addition, or therefore to guide readers naturally through your content. Prioritize active voice over passive voice to make your writing crisp, direct, and engaging. By following these tips, your Yoast SEO indicators should turn green, signaling well-optimized content. This process improves not only Yoast scores but also your content's readability, search visibility, and audience engagement. Start optimizing today and watch your performance improve.